Hi everyone, in Writing 192, the ALP class, I just wanted to give you a quick check-in and make sure that you're moving forward with the work you need to be doing asynchronously this week when we're not meeting. So make sure that you've looked at our work here in week 3. You should have filled out an exit ticket after class on Tuesday. If you didn't, go ahead and you can still submit that. You should get in the habit of finishing class on Tuesday by completing your exit ticket. Tomorrow, you also have an accountability check that's due. I used to call these exit tickets all the time, but now that we're doing the second half of the week asynchronously, I think I'm going to call that an accountability check because I'm designing them to get you to think about the essay that you're working on, to think deeply about it, and to make practical goals for yourself. So turn those in by Friday, and then you also should complete this learning summaries assignment this week. So I'm asking you to take a free personality test online with caution, knowing that you might gain some insight about yourself, but these aren't 100% great indicators of your personality also. But I think for me at least it's been meaningful, and I look forward to talking with you all about how it went when we get together again on Tuesday. I also want to make sure that you watch Victor Wooten's TED Talk, Music as Language. In class last week, we talked about TED Talks as kind of like an example of this kind of genre of writing a personal narrative about learning, and I think that's worth extending next week. And then I'm going to ask you as the assignment to write a summary after you've engaged with this media. So I'm asking you to write a half-page summary connecting Victor Wooten's talk to your own understanding of learning, and a half-page describing and analyzing the results of the personality test. And I hope that this exercise will contribute to your understanding of yourself as a learner and the work you're doing on your personal narrative in Writing 111. Anyway, I hope you all are doing great. I have office hours this afternoon if you want to pop in and chat. Otherwise, you can ask me questions in the Google Classroom. You can tag me in questions on your draft as you're working. You can interact with me a lot of different ways, so keep in touch if you get stuck. Take care.